Cindy J Expo. I just want to thank everybody here for coming and showing up for our vendors and our speakers as well. So thank you to you guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. God has put a vision into me for the past 7 years. We've been in business for 7 years, and God said, look, I'm gonna give you this lab, but you need to give back. And you build a safe space for indie brand owners, for chemists, for manufacturers, for aerospace engineers to come together under a resourceful hub like this spot here.
I would also like to give a special shout out to Cindy J and bringing this, putting this expo together. That brought together so many brands, contract manufacturers as myself, and individuals that are just passionate about the beauty industry. I believe that with her putting together this expo, it's going to give insight and also put a different spin and put all the pieces to the puzzle together on how consumers and also brands can navigate this space in a way that's successful and they have a great large return on their investment and overall network.
Hello everybody, my name is Brianna Ellis and I'm the founder of the Cosmetech Case. We are a digital storytelling platform focusing on the intersection of beauty and technology, and we use design, research, and immersive media to create those narratives. We really like to focus on the stories in beauty that are underrepresented, undermined in a lot of ways, and very much so amplify those voices. Beauty at its core is about innovation, and you cannot have innovation without the power and the minds of people that come before us.
Hi, my name is Dawn Myers, founder and CEO at Ritualist, and we are having a blast here today, connecting with other beauty founders and customers and prospective founders. So there's so many young people here who are in school or who have an amazing idea that they want to birth to the world. And so it's been amazing being able to sell and get some revenue, but then also being able to educate and teach people about this space that I love. So I'm so happy that Cindy invited me to be here today, both to vend and to speak.
My name is Sharonda Newsom. I am Director of Scientific Affairs at Happy Farm Botanicals. We're a contract manufacturer in Hyattsville, Maryland. I'm here doing the formulation studio, where we'll be making a moisture serum. We'll be doing a oil and water emulsion versus a water and oil. In general, it's important for us to show up in these spaces because who else will represent us if we're not here? We need to know that anything is possible for us, and it is, as long as we know and see it.
Hi, my name is Autumn Johnson. I'm a lab technician at Kashana Cosmetic Labs, and I'm really excited about this event. This is my first time attending something like this, and it's a great opportunity to network and connect with other beauty professionals in the industry. It's been wonderful seeing all the different small businesses showing off their products, and it's just been a wonderful experience.
And our sponsors who are giving back to us, who have just instilled their resources into the Cindy J Expo. First, want to give a big thank you to our radiant sponsors. We have SCT, Southern Chemical Textiles. We have the Launch Port. We have Early Charm. Early Charm is actually in this building. And we also have our other radiant sponsor, Thomas Name. And we also have our digital sponsor, Ithos Local Software. They're a formulation software that Cindy J is affiliated with as well.